Hi, I'm Matthew Demaray. I'm the Superintendent of Solid Waste and Recycling for the town of Needham. And we're here at the Needham RTS. Behind me are various color-coded containers for household recycling and trash here at the town of Needham. The beige is for cardboard. The dark green is for mixed paper recycling. The blue is for bottles and cans. We call that commingled recycling. And the open gray recycling containers are for trash, which goes in the yellow pay-as-you-throw bags that we use here in Needham. Three objects we couldn't do without at the transfer station, and there's more than three, but obviously the front end loader. The front end loader over there with the solid filled tires so they don't get punctured in the trash pile. That machine is working constantly. So the front end loader's taking bucket loads from the trash pile and loading them into a hauling trailer. A lot of times we're going to compact that trash load down with a bulldozer with high impact tracks that'll really pulverize it so we can generate a really dense load in the hauling trailer. We'll probably load that trailer with something like 25 tons of trash, and it's going to get hauled out to the incinerator in Millbury, where it'll be burned in a waste to energy facility. We couldn't operate without our roll-off containers. We probably have about 28 to 30 at any given time on site, and they're full of various commodities. This is for mattress recycling. This is for bulky items for the residents. And we'll see color-coded recycling containers and trash containers at the drop walls that are used all day. We're open. So the rails are going to tip up. This end will come to the ground. The cable gets attached to one of the roll-off containers, and the hydraulic pistons pull the container onto the rails, and then it drops level, and the truck transports the container into the building where it can be dumped. You hook it right there. You put the cable there, and it hoists it onto the back of the truck. So this truck will be rolling all day when we're processing trash and recycling. All right, critical item for everybody in a trash line of work is your safety gloves. It starts with personal protection and safety. Trash is interesting work. A lot of work for engineers in trash.